Today I'm going to talk about how you can use your credit card nearly anywhere, even at places you thought did not accept credit cards. If you're new to the world of credit cards, this video will be quite useful for you, I think. And even if you have been chasing miles and cashback for some time, you might have overlooked certain things that you can actually use your credit card for and not realize it. Don't forget also to join more than 12,000 people on my Telegram group so that you can get updates on the latest credit card news and other great promos. Now, we should always use our credit cards to spend as long as we are not using credit cards as a means to spend money we don't have, because credit cards give you things like cashback which offsets your spend, or miles which lets you save on airplane tickets, and therefore credit cards are actually a very good tool for you to reduce your expenses provided you know how to control your spending. Credit cards even give us 1 to almost 2 months of interest-free period where we can actually have our cash sitting in our bank account earning us interest, and given how high interest rates are these days, right, that is actually bonus rewards for using a credit card. Talking about bank interest, a lot of bank accounts now also require us to make spending on their credit cards in order to get a higher interest rate, and therefore we should use our credit cards as much as we can. Hawker centers are everywhere in Singapore and they are a very important place for us to get our meals from. And the good news is that more and more coffee shops and hawker centers actually offer QR payments, and you can actually use your card to pay for your meals. I actually made a video on this previously, but it is slightly outdated, and here is the updated version. You can use this app called Snap or XNAP to pay for your meals as long as you link your credit card to your Apple Pay or Google Pay first, and then use the app to scan the QR code and pay for your meals. All you have to do is to check whether your hawker store displays this QR code with many logos, and one of them should be Snap. And yeah, you can use your cards on Apple Pay or Google Pay to pay for your meals. I've noticed that some hawker stores are also accepting Shopback Pay, and that is actually preferable to Snap because Shopback Pay usually gives you additional cashback, and it also allows you to charge your hawker meals to your credit cards. The good news is that MAS has recently announced that they will roll out this thing called SGQR Plus, and more merchants will now accept QR payments, and more importantly, Snap will be one of the partners for this project, so we can expect to pay using our credit card at more places that previously did not accept credit cards, and I hope it includes more than just hawker centers. Now, on the topic of food, if you eat at an eatery or cafe that does not accept credit cards, there might still be a chance that you can use your credit card to pay for your meals, and that is through apps like Foodpanda, which has a dine-in option that charges to your credit card found in your Foodpanda app. As a plus point, many of these eateries also have discounts when you use Foodpanda to pay, so you should definitely pay using Foodpanda when you have the chance because you get the discount and you earn your credit card rewards, and you can use the DBSU card, which I think will get 17.5% rebates in the form of U points. I say I think because I have gotten 4.5% rebate, but I have not yet gotten the 13% bonus points, but I think there's a high chance that it will come in. So stay subscribed to my Telegram group if you want to know whether or not Foodpanda dine-in transactions qualify for use high earn rate. At some eateries, you also see QR menus that allow you to order and then pay from within the order website, and that is also another opportunity for you to use your credit cards to pay. This video is brought to you by SingSaver, which is offering a best deal guarantee. As the name suggests, SingSaver is guaranteeing that you will get the best deal when you sign up a credit card or insurance with them. SingSaver is so confident that it's offering you the best deal that if you sign up with them and find a better deal elsewhere, SingSaver will give you rewards up to double the difference. Take the StanChart Simply Cash credit card for example. When you sign up through SingSaver, you get $400. And if you find a competitor that is actually giving you $450, SingSaver will then throw in $200 of Grab vouchers to make sure you still get the best deal. Head over to my website in the link below so they can see all the fantastic deals happening this month, and you can walk away with the best deal guaranteed. Now, some eating places or retail shops will only accept Pay Now QR code, but do not give up because you can still earn some card rewards from it, and that's by using Grab, which allows you to actually scan businesses' Pay Now codes and make payment through the GrabPay wallet. Now, you can top up your GrabPay wallet with the UOB Absolute card, and that will earn you 0.3% rebate. Now, that's pretty low of course, but it is better than nothing. Do you want to get 1% rebate on your GrabPay top-ups? Right? Check out the link in the description box below for more details on how to get this method. Alternatively, you can also use Google Pay Wallet app, which is technically not using your credit card to pay, but it also offers you scratch cards when you pay to Pay Now QR codes from businesses. It is entirely luck-based, of course, and sometimes you don't even get anything, but it is still better than getting nothing at all. So yeah, that's how you can squeeze some rewards from Pay Now QR payments. If you're buying something from a shop within a mall that does not accept credit cards, chances are they'll still accept the vouchers of the mall they're in, and therefore you can actually buy vouchers using credit cards and then use the voucher to pay for your stuff at the shop. You can go to Wuji.sg and buy vouchers such as Capital Mall vouchers or Fraser Mall vouchers, and this should give you your credit card's high earn rate. From what I know so far, most of the cards will give you the 4 miles per dollar or 8%, 6% cashback, right? Because the MCC of Wuji is currently not excluded by many credit cards. So for smaller shops within Fraser or Capital Malls that don't accept credit cards, yeah, this I think is a very good option for you to sidestep that. Buy the vouchers first with your credit card, then pay using the vouchers, and yeah, you have earned your card rewards and bought the thing that you want. Alternatively, check whether the retail store accept wallet apps like Kris Plus or Shopback Pay, or even buy now pay later apps like Atomi or Pace if that is still around. So these apps are very good for allowing you to use your credit cards at store that might not necessarily accept credit cards. And as a plus point, they usually convert your transaction to online. So you actually get bonuses for cards that give bonus rewards on online transactions. Taking the bus or MRT, stop using your EZ-Link card because you can use your credit card to pay and get rewards instead. Now, I know this has been quite obvious for some time now, but there's still people using the EZ-Link card, which I don't understand why when you can just use your credit card without any registration. Just tap your card and go. This also works with payments for your smartwatches and your phone, so I don't know why people are still using EZ-Link cards. I made a video on this before, it's a little bit outdated, so say subscribe to my Telegram group for more updates on which cards to use for your public transportation. Have a medical bill to pay? Now, if you are visiting a public hospital or polyclinic, do not pay at the counter because you will not get your card rewards even though you're using a credit card there. Instead, use this app called Health Buddy, and I've actually covered this in a separate video, so check that out for the best cards to use for your medical payments so you can get more rewards. You can just inform the counter that you're paying online using your app and they will let you go and you can do it at the comfort of your own home. So yeah, there's no need for you to settle payment right there on the spot if you are visiting a public hospital or polyclinic. You can also pay for things like income tax, insurance, mortgage, car loan, your school fees, etc., or using your credit card and still earn rewards, and that's by using payment services like CardUp, iPayMy, and CityPayAll. Now, I've covered this in a separate video. You should definitely check that out if you want a more in-depth look at it, but the gist of it is that you can use your credit card for more than you imagine. Personally, I'm using CardUp and iPayMy to pay for my mortgage payments and earning rewards on a monthly basis. Now, mortgage payment is of course something that you wouldn't even expect to earn rewards on, but with these services, you pay a small service fee and you get either miles or cashback for doing so. Now, the world of credit cards keep changing. There are always new cards being introduced and old cards having their terms and conditions revised. So subscribe to my Telegram group for more updates on that, as well as great credit card sign-up offers. You can also ask questions in the group provided you do a search first, and helpful members of the Telegram group will actually help you answer your questions. So see you in the Telegram group, and also check out this video where I talk about how to use the payment services to pay for your income tax, insurance, mortgage, etc. And see you in that video.